Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add SMS on password page Shopify. Adding SMS login on a password page on Shopify is one of those things that sounds simple, but the platform basically replies with "Nice try, use an app." First, go into your Shopify admin dashboard and head to Settings, open Customer Accounts. If you enable the new customers account system, Shopify allows phone number based login with OTP SMS codes. But here's the catch, it replaces the password login flow instead of just adding SMS onto the same password page. So you're not really adding SMS there, just swapping the system entirely. If you specifically want SMS on a custom password or login page, you'll need a third party app from the Shopify App Store that supports OTP verification. Go to Apps, open Shopify App Store, and search for SMS login or OTP authentication tools. Apps like Yotpo SMS Pump style tools can help you add phone number fields and verification codes. After installing, you'll usually configure settings to enable SMS login, then embed the provided widget or code into your team's login file, often something like customerslogin.liquid. Once set up, users can log in using either email or SMS OTP depending on the configuration. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.